I am in a Renault Twingo. What a gorgeous little car is this. I'm going to step outside, turn the lights on. To show you what a nice car this is. Just look at the cute smile. Okay. It's such a car that makes you smile. I love it. This car has been built from 1993 to 2007 and in South America to 2012. Over 2 million have been built. And this is a very special one. It's got all kinds of luxury for such a small car. It's got air conditioning. I don't know if it works. It works. It's got a sunroof. And it works. And the aircon. It really blows cold. Yes. Look at the digital dash. There you are. And then there's this little dashboard here. Just some lights. So bring you back to wide view. And it's got a stereo. Yep, it works. It's got electrical mirrors, which also work. And the windows go down and up, and they work. So, just lovely. Let's turn the lights off. And now for something very hot nut. Let's show some pantograph wiper action. Isn't that lovely? Pantograph wiper. They wipe quite a big chunk of the front window of the windscreen. Such a lovely car. Well, let's look under the bonnet. If I can find where to open it. Oh no. Is it here? Is it there? Or should I just leave it? Well, can't seem to find it. You would expect it to be here, but it isn't. Well, what I can say, it's in 1100 149cc engine, but this is a French car, so it's labeled as 1.2. They always round it up, and it's 58 brake horsepower, I think. It's not the first engine they were delivered with, because those were from the Renault 4. This is a more modern one. Let's put on my belt and just drive a little bit. So, oh, it's so lovely. The gearbox noise just makes this whining noise, only in first gear. Let's see if I can pick up some speed. It's a bit bumpy, but it's a small car, so it's not a 2CV, it's not a Citroen, it's a Renault. Oh, well, it's fast enough. It does pick up. I expect it to be a bit noisy on the motorway, but hey, it's a small car, not a big one as that one. So let's take a little drive, and then I'm going to conclude this video, because it's not my car. I borrowed it from my neighbor, who is doing all the work himself on the car. It's such a nice car. Oh yes. And look how spacey it is, how it feels, how big it is from the inside. And it's so practical. I really love this car. I hate to give it back. Okay, that's for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.